Hi, I'm Catherine Cook-Cottone, and I'm extremely excited about the publication of my latest book, Embodiment and the Treatment of Eating Disorders. And the subtitle is the most exciting part, The Body as a Resource in Recovery. I wrote this book after my own recovery from eating disorders, my training in psychology, and then years of research and working with patients. And what I found was that the key aspect of recovery was engagement in all of our empirically supported treatments, as well as a pathway toward positive embodiment, a pathway toward learning how to befriend and live in and of and from my body rather than fighting it, rather than controlling it, rather than trying to make it fit into some box. What this book is about is what you need in regard to the theory, the background, and even a review of empirically supported treatments to get you started. And then a pathway from starting with building mindful self-care into a patient's life from the beginning, and starting from a sense of mission and purpose in their lives, something beyond the eating disorder that gives us this target and this hope and a focus for an embodied future. And in this book, I'll walk you through sensations, interoceptive awareness, exploring and being with your feelings, thinking about how to be positively embodied in the face of trauma, looking at dance and equestrian training and yoga, which is one of my favorite embodiment activities. And then at the end, digging in again to your sense of mission and purpose and remembering your why. I found that when things get really hard in recovery, there are two pieces that really help you stick with it. And one of them is remembering that you are worth the effort. And the second one is like, what is my why? What is my why for my recovery? And so I work with my patients in developing and knowing their worth and the worth of this beautiful body that they're in. And then remembering their why for when it gets really tough and it's hard not to have a symptom. So I've included all of that. There's worksheets and assessments and reflections on the work of my beloved and esteemed colleagues. This is a work of love, and I hope you enjoy it.